Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. Welcome back. So today again we are here with physical education and sports for children with special need, Divyang. It is of class 11th and it is part 7. In previous parts we completed about the Deaflympics and Paralympics. What are their special need, means which type of disabilities or which type of means a sports person having a disability and he can participate in the game, that we discussed. And now we will discuss about the very important topic, that is inclusive education. Inclusive education या inclusion. Inclusion, its need and its implementation. Okay, at first inclusion, that inclusion word means merge a education system for the special person. It is add with the normal education system which is going on in our school, where a disabled children, a children with physical disability, he can also take us same education under the same umbrella, we can say under the same roof, under the same facility, or from the same teacher, without any discrimination. The individual who is having disability, he can also get the education like a normal one, like you are studying in the school, like this. Okay. Children with special need can also get education under the same umbrella. Umbrella means same facilities, means no discrimination with them. With special need, there is no discrimination. They will also get the same chances to get education. They will also get the same facility to get education. They will also get the same tutor or teacher from whom they will get the same education as other are getting. Okay, so it is the meaning of inclusion. Yeah, we can say it is inclusive education. Inclusive education. We know, you know, ground reality in India, what's going on. Law is there, but schools are not consider the special childs that take admission in their school. They are not getting the proper facility, but in documents it is going on, but in reality I think no implementation is there. In some school it is there. Even special courses are going on by the education department, to make the teachers who know the special need of the special child, which type of facilities we have to provide according to their capability, according to their ability. Okay, so it is the meaning of inclusive education. Mean same education under the same roof, under the same facility, under the same teacher, education which is which a teacher give to the normal person, same education a teacher have to give to the person who is having a special need. Even little bit difference we will see in the curriculum, because they know they need a special desk to sit, they need a special environment, okay, they need a special books or special teaching method for them because they are disabled one, okay. Or in the world, like we can say UNICEF. UNICEF, you know, United Nations Scientific and Education Foundation. UNICEF is United Nations Children's Fund, sorry. UNICEF is United Nations Children's Fund. UNESCO. United Nations Education Scientific Cultural Organization. These two are the upper body in the world which is tie up with the state education authority or country education authority, like in our India NCERT. So they do tie up with the organization and they start the education program regarding the inclusive education, not only for the special child or normal also, okay. These two are the upper body at world level. Or if I talk about the NCERT, okay, it is in India, NCERT. If I talk about which type of work is done by the Indian government, first time Kothari Commission. Kothari Commission in 1966 talk about inclusive education, okay. First time a Kothari Commission, it is made by the Indian government to check out the level of education, to check out the which type of method, which type of new facilities we can implement in our schools, or we can improve the level of education in India. So this commission also consider the special child also, that they can also get the education under the same roof, under the program of inclusive education, okay, in 1966. Second one, in 1974 they launch a program. They launch a program named IEDC. IEDC integrated education for disabled children, okay. In 1974 they launch a program IEDC, integrated education for disabled children, or this thing they do with the help of NCERT, okay, NCERT. Then third, (1986) education policy. As you know, recently Indian government talk about the new education policy 2020 after 1986, means after 34 year government is going to implement another education policy which is we can say motivated from the western countries. Same program they are going to launch, okay, they are going to implement 1986. Here also they talk about this program IEDC, integrated education for the disabled children. Fourth one, 1987 NCERT plus UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund, they implement the program. Which one? IEDC, integrated education for the disabled children. Fifth one, some change took place in 1992. That is the program of action. Okay, after that 2002 2001 सर्व शिक्षा अभियान. Under this, government launched 0 to 14-year-old child, they will get the free education in the government sector, plus they do tie up with the private sector also. They will give the opportunity, they will give the chance to the disabled person to get education in the schools. Okay, or now you know latest 2020 education policy also introduced by the Indian government. You can check out this through internet. Most of things also you will get from this education policy also. Okay, or nowadays you know that our MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD, its name is changed, now it is known as the Education Ministry. The minister, MHRD, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal. Okay, so it is also beneficial for you, it can come in MCQs. Even I am also giving in MCQs latest recent questions which are related to our subject. So these things also keep in your mind, always be updated with news. Okay, so these things, inclusive education, children with special need can also get education under the same umbrella, means same facilities, same teachers, same curriculum, but under the same curriculum but special curriculum for them. First time Kothari Commission made in that they talk about the 1966 about the inclusive education. Second, 1974 they launch a program IEDC, integrated education development for disabled children, and it is they will do this they launch this program with the help of NCERT in 1986. Education policy come and they launched this program in 1987 with the help of NCERT and UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. Fifth, 1992 the program of action, here also they changed some rule. And next 2001 Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, 0 to 14-year-old child will get the free education in the schools. It is compulsory for every child, they can get the education free. So these are the point. Next topic is there, नीड ऑफ इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन या इंक्लूजन एजुकेशन सिस्टम. वाई वी रिक्वायर inclusive education? Even we cannot leave the people who are disabled one. They have also a right to get education. They have also a right to improve their self esteem. They have also a right to improve their personality, or they can become capable to do their daily lifestyle routine without any help, or they can also achieve the higher level of goals. Even many examples are there for in front of us, like Vichendra Pal, Sakshi, Deepa Malik. Those are the para athletes. They grab the medals at international level. Even they are the role model. They are the motivation for the normal person also. Or if we talk about from the disabled one, it is for them also. Okay. So for this topic, this much. We'll do inclusive education, need of inclusion education या inclusive education in next part. For this part, this much. सभी को नमस्ते. Take care of your health. Thank you.